Okay, so you want to know how to fix your microphone on Roblox because it's not working. I have a few solutions for you that could help with your problem. First of all, you have to go to the right corner in the screen of Roblox, press it, go to settings, and once you're in settings, you have to go to privacy. And here you have to check that you have enabled a microphone to chat with voice. So I press it, enable. Excellent. The next step is to go to a game that have microphone, for example Makeup, and when I go to this game, I have to check out if it can use microphone. So where do we do? So where we check that? So down there, communication, you can use microphone and camera to the face expressions. And the next solution you can do to have your microphone working again, you have to press the play game. You have to go to that game. Okay, so once you're here, you have to go to the options here, go to settings, and here check that you are using your microphone, the correct microphone, because you can be using a simulated microphone or something. And the last step to make your microphone work is go to down there, speakers, right click, sound, and when the window's open, you have to go to recording and make sure that your microphone is checked here like this with this green check. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video of Easy Way. Goodbye.